Hi, my name is Andrew Kinney. I'm an attorney at Hoglund Law Offices. I practice exclusively in the area of Social Security disability law. I also help people with supplemental security income cases, commonly known as SSI. Today, I wanted to talk in this video about cancer. Cancer is a very serious diagnosis, no doubt. There are different forms of cancer. Absolutely know that treating cancer is the most paramount thing that you can do, and in particular with an oncologist would be ideal. As an attorney handling cases with people with cancer, one of the things I notice is that there's usually a time frame where it's not detected, and then it's detected and it's treated, but cancer treatment itself can be disabling. Chemotherapy can cause side effects which we're glad that you don't have the cancer, but they have legitimate side effects that are verifiable. So just know that if you are diagnosed with cancer and you can't work full-time and you know it's going to last a year, or at least you expect it might, you should consider applying for Social Security disability or supplemental security income benefits. Cancer is something that you need to make sure to treat for. That's fairly obvious. Another element of cancer, though, that's important is cancer can come and go. So in situations where someone, let's say, has leukemia but perhaps is in remission, it isn't so easy to tell when you're ready to work or not. In my opinion, the best person to talk to about whether you should go back to work and whether you should work full-time or part-time is your own doctor. Ideally, your oncologist or maybe a doctor that knows you best. The reason is this: even if the cancer itself that you have may be in remission, there's still a question of fatigue, there's still a question of the residuals of any of the cancer treatment you've had. Those things, talk with your doctor about those as well as anything else, because the decision whether you can work full-time or part-time or anything at all comes down to how do you feel each day. Social Security looks at cancer under listings or definitions of disability. They're available to be able to review. One of the things that I would do, though, is know that take care of the cancer, but you can apply before you've undergone treatment. You can certainly apply after treatment. Social Security can pay up to 1 year back from the date of a disability insurance application. One way or the other, if you're unable to work and you expect it to be more than a year, apply, and we can help with that. Feel free to call us at 1-800-850-7867. If you've been denied in the lower level and perhaps you're approaching a Social Security hearing with a federal judge, that's an ideal time, in my opinion, to have help of an attorney. I had a hearing recently with a cancer patient who was initially approved but then later denied because cancer was stable. That lower state agency decision made no sense whatsoever. So know that a hearing, if you're denied with cancer, a hearing is a time where you can have reasonable minds look at the records, look at the progress, look at the symptoms, and pull it all together. So if you are denied at a lower level with cancer and you perhaps are in some form of remission, talk to an attorney about whether a Social Security hearing would be right for you. But by all means, get better, and the goal is to avoid needing benefits if at all possible. But with situations where you're unable to work for a year, this is what this is for. Hopefully this video helped. Thank you very much.